Absolutely disastrous news for Donald Trump's former attorney, Alina Habba. CNN is reporting that the Department of Justice quickly fired the newly named U.S. attorney in New Jersey yesterday after federal judges in Jersey declined to extend Alina Habba's interim appointment. So remember how all this went down. Alina Habba was appointed by Trump to be interim U.S. attorney in New Jersey. And we all knew this was a handout. It's nepotism. It's quid pro quo. It's a reward for being Trump's attack dog. But now we had a situation where the court voted to elevate Desiree Lee Grace, New Jersey's first assistant U.S. attorney, to replace Alina Habba. And Pam Bondi said, we are firing this position. They are claiming that it was politics that led to Alina Habba not getting elevated from interim to permanent. Pam Bondi putting out a statement saying, quote, nonetheless, politically minded judges refused to allow her to continue in her position. Wah! Replacing Alina, wah added by me, replacing Alina with the first assistant. Accordingly, the first assistant U.S. attorney in New Jersey has just been removed. The Department of Justice does not tolerate rogue judges, especially when they threaten the president's core Article 2 powers. Fox News reporting on this as well.
Well, it could be back to the White House soon. Federal judges in the District of New Jersey have declined to extend Alina Habba's appointment as interim U.S. attorney. President Trump appointed Habba to the position on March the 24th. Interim U.S. attorneys are only allowed to serve for 120 days if they are not either confirmed by the U.S. Senate or extended indefinitely by the district court in their jurisdiction. We'll find out soon what's in her future plans.
Yeah. And so this is now going to be a fight. The White House is saying, no, Trump has supreme power here. Trump can simply say who he wants to have there. She does need Senate confirmation eventually, but that's if she is to be made the permanent U.S. attorney for New Jersey. The workaround, and this administration loves just going around the law, the workaround they've found is make Alina Habba indefinitely interim U.S. attorney. Since she's interim, she doesn't need Senate approval, but just keep her in that role indefinitely. Why not, right? This is the way the Trump administration works. This is also, of course, a direct result of just hiring and appointing unqualified people. Alina Habba has no business being U.S. attorney for New Jersey. It was always a giveaway. It was always a joke. And it's sort of an interesting, the Alina Habba story is an interesting one because she really has remained loyal to Trump. She failed him in some of her legal representations, you may recall, but she has remained completely loyal. But Trump never really saw her as someone capable of a big position. You know, her name was floated as attorney general for a while, and not that Pam Bondi and Matt Gaetz are great picks, but there was just something about Alina Habba that never really had Trump taking her seriously for those roles. And it's clear that she's still being put in positions she's not qualified for. But fortunately, at least here, there's at least an attempt being made to block her. Bad news for Alina Habba. Such a sad thing.